Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass, but about learning to dance in the rain. True harmony is not the absence of discord, but the ability to transform it into beauty. In the symphony of life, our greatest strength lies in our unity and the collective melodies we create. Every dissonant note is a call for healing, a reminder that we must embrace and mend the discord within and around us. Life is like living in a garden. It's cozy and compact, teaching us to cherish simplicity and find joy in the little things. The music of existence is composed of both joy and sorrow. It is our connection that turns this symphony into a masterpiece. Life's true power is found not in individual melodies, but in the harmony of voices coming together as one. Healing begins when we listen to the song of others and add our own voice with empathy and compassion. Life is a canvas, and every breath is a brushstroke each moment, a unique blend of color and texture, never to be replicated but always adding depth to the masterpiece of our existence. The essence of life's melody is not just in the perfect notes, but in the unity of imperfect voices creating something beautiful. Harmony is achieved not through isolation, but through the collective effort of understanding and responding to the music of life. The strength of a community is measured by its ability to turn discord into a unified and harmonious song. In the symphony of existence, every note matters, and it is our unity that creates the most profound and enduring melodies.